All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Kenyon Jamal Wilson. This is U ticket 593-59521. That's one count aiding and abetting another in the act of prostitution. Also calling ticket number P1235624, one count no insurance misdemeanor. Tickets number SP 1371143, count one improper plate, count two. Is he driving? He can't drive while he's on here. Mr. Wilson, you're gonna have to get to someplace steady. I'm gonna have to recall this matter.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'll come back to that matter. Attorney Hoffman, I'm gonna do Mr. Wordlaw.
We're ready.
All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Daryl Wordlaw. This is Z ticket 808345. This is one count of operating while visibly impaired. Today is the date and time set for a review in this matter. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman for the defendant. Would you state your name, sir, for the record?
Daryl Wordlaw.
All right. And probation officer, can you please state your name for the record? I apologize.
Yeah, Jennifer O'Driscoll on behalf of the probation department.
Thank you so much. Today is the date time set for a review in this matter. I'm going to start with you, Officer O'Driscoll. Can you tell me how he's doing so far on probation?
Yes, the defendant is currently doing well. He's had all negative drug screens. He was ordered to submit to random drug testing 6 times a month for the first 3 months. And then if no positives, then he could test 4 times a month thereafter. And he has had all negative tests thus far. He is attending Alcoholics Anonymous a minimum of 4 times a week. I think he's actually been attending a little bit over that per week. He has completed his outpatient substance abuse treatment program. And then he was court ordered to find a sobriety partner or sponsor. He's still working on locating a sponsor or a sobriety partner. I did refer him to the Detroit Recovery Project peer recovery support program. I'm not sure if he's followed up with that as of yet, but he was referred there for peer recovery support. And then also an order was filed back in June of this year by the previous probation officer, which was Officer Thomas, to do an amended order. The defendant is testing at ATS. And so it was requested that the drug screening fees or drug testing fees here at the court be removed. Those were originally assessed in the amount of $1,020. The defendant is paying ATS. So the probation department is recommending that the fines or the drug urinalysis fee be adjusted and removed. Other than that, and then he is making payments towards his case. And that's where he stands as of today. He's not eligible for any form of early discharge from probation until May 6th of 2023.
Is there any additional services that you need for him to have at this time, Officer O'Driscoll?
No, I think he's doing fine. He's doing well. He just needs to locate a sponsor or a peer recovery specialist as directed in the court order.
All right. Anything from you, counsel?
Nothing further from the defendant. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Wordlaw, do you have anything you want to say on your behalf about this review so far?
Everything sounds accurate, and I am working on that. I did reach out to the guy that she sent me to, but I'm also working with some other stuff with the group that I do the AA meetings with. So I see Ms. Driscoll next month on the 20th. Hopefully we'll have the last remaining issue resolved.
All right. It's very important, Mr. Wordlaw, especially right now with the holidays coming up, that you try and find someone to be supported. Because we know those holidays come, and we know what our friends and family like to do sometimes. And we need to make sure that we stay on the right path. Am I right, Mr. Wordlaw?
Well, one good thing about the holidays is that the hospitals don't close, the ICU don't close, the ER don't close, and I work 7 days a week. So
Okay.
a lot of holidays I'm at work.
All right. I just want to make sure, because when we get out and start celebrating, when we do have those moments, we got to make sure we stay strong, right?
Yeah, you're right. I got you,
Okay.
Your Honor.
Yeah.
I told you I wasn't gonna let you down. So
You did. You did. I just like fired one so that,
you let me go get married and everything. So you
Oh,
did what I asked, so I'm gonna do what you asked.
Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Congratulations to you. So I just want you to keep moving forward, Mr. Wordlaw. It sounds like you're doing a great job. I do think, like I said, that peer review person, and it sounds like you're trying to get that all together by the next time you go see Officer O'Driscoll, which is good. But I'm just telling you, it's always nice to have someone you can call on, even if it's, for me personally too. If I'm trying to have that checks and balances, it's always a good thing. So at this time, the court is going to grant the request of Officer O'Driscoll in this matter. I'm going to delete the fees for testing here. The amount was, you said 1,000, how much was it?
1,020.
The court is going to now say that $1,020 does not have to be paid since he is doing outside testing and taking care of that at a different facility. So we're going to subtract that from the amount you pay for us, Mr. Wordlaw, because it's not something that you're doing here currently testing. We're going to keep you going, keep continuing to make great progress. Do we need another review, Officer O'Driscoll, or do we just want to come back when he's completed the task completely?
I was maybe set another review for the middle of May to see if he's eligible for early discharge at that time.
Did you hear that, Mr. Wordlaw?
Yeah, I heard.
Okay.
That's what we're trying to do.
Listen.
We're trying to work it out.
I see. Okay. So I'm gonna honor that. I'm gonna set a review in May. I'm gonna do a mid-May for possible discharge if you're doing everything you're supposed to do. They're saying they might let you go early, so that's encouraging. Okay.
Thank you.
Far away. Let me look. Give me 1 second. Right, 13. Yeah. The 17th or the 31st, Officer O'Driscoll, which one do you think?
Let me see here. He was originally sentenced on May 6th, so I would do the 17th if that's fine with you.
All right, that's fine with me. I'm gonna set this as a review for May 17th, 2023. That's going to be at 8:45 a.m. via Zoom. No. Okay, and that'll be the next time I see you, Mr. Wordlaw. So keep pressing, keep moving forward, keep up the good work, and I'll see you in May, okay?
All right, thank you.
All right, thank you. Thank you so much, officer. I appreciate you.
Thank you. You take care, Your Honor. Have a good Thanksgiving.
You too. Thank you
All
so
right.
much.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Wilson, are you in stationary position now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Go ahead and turn on your camera for me. All right. Recalling the matters of the people versus, let me make sure you're attorney. Attorney Robinson, you on?
Yes, Judge, I just need 30
Okay.
seconds for my camera, but I'm here.
Fantastic. Okay. Now recalling the matter of people versus Kenyon Jamal Wilson. This is ticket U 593-59521. One count aiding and abetting another in the act of prostitution. Ticket P 1235624. One count no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling cases number SP 1371143. One count improper plates. Count 2 no proof of insurance. Count 3 no valid registration certificate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson, P63181, appearing on behalf of Mr. Kenyon Wilson, who's present. Sir, please state your name.
Ian Wilson.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. He needs a jury trial date. Attorney Robinson, I'm only going to do the jury trial date on the aiding and abetting. Is that okay?
Yes,
All right. I'm sure you don't have any January dates. Do you have some February dates available, Attorney Robinson?
I think I do. Slim pickings, but
Okay. I I got slim pickings too. So in in February, because I know January's all sealed up, isn't it, Attorney Robinson?
Well, I have, the last week of February looks open. I have a jury trial every week in February, except for the last week.
What about January? You got a lot of trials in January?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, then we can do March. Now, in March, I only have 3 dates open. They gave me dates, the 1st, 15th, or 29th.
I could do the 1st.
Okay, so we're gonna set this for a jury trial on March 1st, 2023. I'm going to do a pretrial that Friday before. First is a Wednesday, yep. So I'll do it on the 24th of February, just to make sure that everything's okay, Attorney Robinson. It's via Zoom, so I can have any recommended jury instructions, so that when we come in Wednesday, we'll be ready to go. We are picking juries in the afternoons on Wednesday, so I'll give you further instructions on that day, but just have it blocked out. But we'll have a final pretrial on February 24th. If I make it at 10 a.m., is that okay, Attorney Robinson, just so we can make sure we work out all the logistics of everything?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, all right, 10 a.m. via Zoom, obviously. The trial is in person. Mr. Wilson, that means that you do need to be physically here on the 1st of March at 36th District Court, okay?
Okay.
You also need to be present for that final pretrial on February 24th at 10 a.m. so that I can make sure we're all ready to go. Any proposed jury instructions need to be made available to me at that time. I'll have the standard ones ready to go, but other than that, we'll be ready to move. I'm going to continue your bond at $0 personal. The remaining of the cases will just be tracking with this until we finish this. We can always get an offer on those matters if you would like a resolution. Okay, Mr. Wilson?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. If there's nothing further from you, counsel.
Just one item, Judge. I wanted to file a motion for discovery. Would I send that to the courtroom's email and to the prosecutor for the audio, video from the police?
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
and, do that before, if you have the email address for John Gilson.
Who's the prosecutor?
John Gillis, I'm gonna put both of our email addresses in the chat for you, okay?
Oh, I have John Gillis's.
Okay, all right. Do you have mine as well?
I have the courtroom.
Okay, I'm gonna give you mine as well, okay?
Okay, and then should I set a motion date or what, how do you want to handle that, Judge?
For discovery, yes. Holidays coming up. Want to have it right before we leave for break or after we come back from break?
We could do it before unless it's too busy.
Okay, all right, look at your calendar for Thursday, the 22nd of December.
I can be there, Judge.
Okay. All right. Let's do it at 9 a.m. Motion for
Okay.
discovery. Okay. Send that to
Thank
me and
you.
have it filed with them as well, okay?
Yes, Judge.
All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
Thank you, Mr. Wilson. Have a good day.
Thank you. You as well.
I will. Good morning, Miss Beth. How are you doing today?
Good morning, Judge. I'm doing good. How about you?
Good, thank you. I didn't get to say hello. I just wanted to
I
make sure I
know.
said hello to you. I
No,
saw
I
you.
didn't say hello.
All right. Mr. Watkins?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Clerk, have you spoken with the attorney?
I don't believe so. No, I was waiting in the breakout room for a while.
Okay.
Number 6.
Number 6? Okay, you
Yeah.
need to go back to the breakout room if you haven't spoken with the attorney, okay? Are you able to
Okay.
do so?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Good morning, Wayne County.
Good morning, Judge Taylor. I have Dwayne Jernigan.
What was the last name?
No, Warren, Dario Warren.
Dario Warren.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what's his case number? Because I don't see him on our document for this morning.
I don't have a case number, but it just said on mine and it's supposed to be for PCC.
No, I don't have any PCCs.
Oh, yeah.
Probable cause coverage, I don't have those unless they need me something fantastic. Is it Judge
You
Williams?
don't have a case, you need the case number.
Can we have a case number? That'd be helpful.
Okay. Did he have a, does it say Judge Taylor?
So, yes, ma'am, he had two judges to see, Archer and Taylor.
Oh, Archer is for his PCC. Then maybe for me for his, did he see about the PCC yet?
Yeah.
I believe he has like a pretrial or something with you. I looked it up in the schedules and it has your name on it. I can look it up again and take a look and see what's going on.
Okay, then you might want to try Judge Archer first, if it's for a PCC with her.
What was that now?
I say you might want to try Judge Archer's courtroom first.
Try Judge Arch. Okay,
Yes, Judge Archer.
okay. Okay. Do that.
Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, you're welcome. Court reporter.
Yes,
I just looked over the document. I apologize for the delay.
no worries. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, what's the? Are you gonna do these first? Judge Arthur? I think you should do this first. Okay. Okay. I do.
Oh, damn. Mr. White, did you talk to the attorney already?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna put you into the waiting room.
That's one right there.
Damn, why y'all come back to me so soon?
Yes, ma'am. I probably got the docket.
I know, we really have them. Is it the same person?
One second, Judge.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I guess so. Man, no, I'm on here though.
What's the phone number that's talking? 313-740-6056. What's your name?
James Wilson.
No, you better be
Ooh, why are you
here.
late to court? Oh, he put him at 10. Never mind. That's all right. You on time. All right. All right, Mr. Wilson. Rename you. All right, Mr. Wilson, I'm gonna put you into what's called a breakout room so the attorney can talk to you. I'm going to do quite a few people before you, so you're gonna have to be real patient, because I only have one attorney to talk to everyone today, okay? So be patient, Mr. Wilson, all right?
All right.
Devon Walton, sir, did you talk to the attorney already? Yeah, unmute yourself. Oh, I'm sorry. Unmute yourself. I apologize. I need.
Yeah, no, I haven't talked to anyone. I've been on this call since 8:35. I haven't talked to anyone, and I'm about to be stuck. I mean, I'm trying to be as patient as possible, but I still got to go to
It's
work.
only been an hour, Mr. Walton. I have 16 people and one person to talk to everybody. Would you like a new date? I can give you a new date.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, February 6th of 2023.
All right,
I'll
thank
see you
you.
then. All right. iPhone, what's your name? That's Devon Walton. Dante Winfrey.
Good morning.
Miss Winfrey, did you already talk to the officer?
Yes,
I mean, talk to the attorney?
yes.
Okay, I'm gonna put you into the waiting room until he comes out so I can handle the business, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you. iPhone who just signed on, what's your name?
Octavia Washington.
Okay. Miss Washington, did you lose connection?
I lost connection, but then I joined back.
Okay, all right. You remember what room you were in? Let me see.
You got two of them. The one I was trying to see originally.
Miss Washington, I have you go into, let's see.
No, art. Definitely that's that right here.
Did you talk to the attorney already or no? Miss Washington,
Yes,
did you talk to the attorney already or no?
he put me on hold or something. I don't know.
Okay, because you probably asked for an offer. Did you ask for an offer so you can resolve this today?
I don't know. He told me to hold on for something. I think he was trying to get a court date or something.
Okay. Did you need to bring back documents or what? Or you want to have a trial? What's going on?
I don't know. I have my driving license here.
All right. See, I wasn't in the room, so I don't know what the conversation was, Miss Washington. So I'm trying to decipher now what took place and what happened and which room I should put you into. I'm going to put you into the waiting room and I'll talk to the attorney and find out what's going on with you, okay?
Okay.
Mr. Wade, did you already talk to the attorney? Okay, all right, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room until he gets finished so that I can talk to everybody, okay? Thank you. We can't hear you. We can't hear you. You can't hear us.
Yeah, we
You
can hear
gotta
you.
connect to audio. It's okay, Jill. I'm trying to get somebody on the iPhone to connect with us.
We
Wake
can
up,
hear you,
Jill.
Judge.
Okay, I was trying to get somebody else to connect. Is this Mr. Warren?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. What's his name? Dario. Yeah. Okay. All right, sir, we're gonna put you into what's called a breakout room so you can talk to our attorney of today. You have some extra tickets above what's on the docket today because you have some cases in warrant status that we're pulling right now so we can get an offer for it. So we can take care of all the tickets that you have right now, as opposed to having you come back and they're not finished. Okay, Mr. Warren? So hold tight, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, let me get you into breakout room number 17, okay?
I got to to the coffee though. He probably think you got that one sticking over there. Well, I was gonna tell him,
That's all.
but he was on the last. Yeah, he was on James.
I'm gonna remove this iPhone. They can't hear us, and I tried a couple times to get it again. Attorney Bachman,
Yes, Your Honor, we're ready.
we're trying to get you on Mr. Warren. Mr. Warren has several cases. I
Okay,
don't know what he wants to do. He has several cases. Did he want an offer? That wasn't his only case up today.
understood, Your Honor. I'm looking them all up, and he's asking for a pretrial date.
Okay. All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Dario Warren. This is ticket number P1260195, drove while license suspended. Ticket number P1260190, violation of basic speed law or drove in an unsafe manner. Ticket number P1260124, failed to signal. Ticket P1245585, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number P1245504, dirty, obscure, improperly displayed plates, count 1. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Ticket P1089781, driver's license expired. Ticket number SP 1230522, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drove while license suspended. Count 3, expired plate. Also calling tickets number SP 1136773, count 1, drove while license suspended, repeat offender. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, limited access speed 1 to 5 over speed limit. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman for the defendant. Sir, please state your full name.
Morning, Dario Martell Warren.
Thank you, Your Honor. The matter's here for show cause. The defendant inadvertently missed his last action date. He's here in person. We're asking the court accept a not guilty plea rather from the defendant and set the matter for a pretrial. Thank you.
At this time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. The warrants that were in warrant status will be taken out and entered into not guilty pleas. Bond will be set at $0 personal on these. I'll see you for a pretrial on the date of February 6, 2023, 8:30 a.m. via Zoom on these matters. February 6, 2023, 8:30 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, there's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Patrick White?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, go ahead, have a seat. Now calling the matter of the People versus Patrick Lamont White. This is ticket 339989, one count unregistered motor vehicle. Also ticket number P842701, one count drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman for the defendant. State your name, please, Mr. White.
Go ahead.
Patrick White. Judge, we're asking that the court accept a plea to the no registration count and dismiss the driver's license.
Okay.
Those are the only two counts.
Let me type something to you in the chat real quick.
Understood.
Mr. White, you want to take advantage of that offer today to police to unregister motor vehicle and the remaining count will be dismissed?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. Mr. White, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial? You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of July 5th of 2017. At that time, were you driving a mini bike in the area of Puritan and Livernois in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were driving this vehicle, was it unregistered with the Secretary of State's office at the time?
Yes, ma'am.
Satisfied, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to unregistered motor vehicle. The remaining count will be dismissed. Sir, my fine is $200. How long would that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
Your Honor, I paid already. I gave the court $400 already.
All right, so we're gonna have the bond applied. Any remaining money is to be returned to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, so let me tell you this though, sir. If you have any outstanding fines, they will take that money and apply it, okay?
Okay.
Okay, all right. There's nothing further. You're all set, Mr. White, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Robert Wade. I think he got. Oh, he was in the bulletin. Oh, it's fine. That's fine.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, give me 1 second. Now calling the matters of the people versus Robert Lee Wade. This is U ticket 491-12518. This is one count disorderly conduct, I believe. Yes. Also calling ticket number P1230562, one count improper place. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman for the defendant. Sir, state your name for the record.
Robert Lee Wade IV.
Thank you. Judge, the defendant owes the court some money on the disorderly conduct count. We're asking respectfully if you would give him some more time to pay and set the improper plate count for trial, please, and thank you. Waiver trial by Zoom.
Mr. Wade, you pled guilty January 20th of 2022. So that means you've almost had a whole year to come up with $300.
I was gonna have it done for you. I just recently, I told you about my probation situation. I just did 60 days in the Oakland County Jail. So that kind of shut off every day. The day after I had court with you, I had to go to court with them and it didn't go well. I have a proof of incarceration right here.
Okay.
So, and I really apologize. I said, my judge about to, man, I don't even wanna, I got $100 today though.
Okay. Did you finish any of the other stuff too, Mr. Wade? Did you go to the class and the testing and all of that?
I registered for the class, so hopefully that was $200. So I could retake it because it was during the time I was locked up.
Okay.
Because it only happens like twice a month or once a month or
You're
something.
right. It only happens like once a month. So if you missed that one time, what about the community service? Did you do the community service?
No, ma'am. At the time, it was doing.
You ain't done nothing. I told you to do on this ticket.
I can do community service. Probably right now, that's probably all I can do is and pay y'all. Try to get this money for y'all.
And you gotta do the test. You got a whole lot of stuff to do. I need to give you some more time. You got a lot going on, Mr. Wade. I kind of vaguely remember you talking about all this stuff. So I'm gonna give you some more time, okay?
I apologize.
Trial date, it's okay, Mr. Wade. I know life happens, and at least you showed up. You didn't just run from me and act like this didn't exist. And I take that into consideration, okay?
I appreciate you.
Okay. All right, Mr. Wade. It sounds like you want to have a bench trial on this improper place. Is that correct?
Yeah, I don't remember. I don't know nothing about that.
Okay.
I haven't been pulled over in a bit.
Don't tell me too much, okay? It was Pilgrim and Press Street in the city of Detroit, but it was back in 2021. Okay, I must have just missed it the first time. Okay.
Okay.
In a Chevy vehicle. So please raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Wade, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Baldwin about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna set this for a date of February 15th, 2023. Okay, via Zoom. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal. This will be at 9 a.m. On that same day, Mr. Wade, that gives you some time now. I'm gonna have the review for your other ticket, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I'm in court right now, baby. I apologize.
Away.
My bad. Grandma said she out of cigarettes and pop.
Okay, tell grandma, I know you told grandma that you were in court. I know you had to answer. I understand. Okay, Mr. Wade?
She 90, so she really don't understand what I just said about the court.
Okay. All right, Mr. Wade, can you take down the number? Tell grandma, hold tight just 1 minute for me, grandma. Here's the number you need to call for community service. You ready?
Hold on 1 second. 1 second.
Okay. You ready, Mr. Wade?
Yes, I am.
313-965-3414. And they can help you find a community service, okay?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm giving you like 3 additional months to get everything done, okay?
Yes.
Okay, all right. We'll see you back 2:15. Hopefully we'll have all the terms and conditions of your disorderly conduct completed. Listen, it's important, Mr. Wade. Let me tell you why. If I can't close it out under disorderly conduct, I have to close it out under the original ticket. And that's a mandatory jail time sentence with that. And I don't want to have to do that. So I'm trying to give you some leeway so you don't have to have it closed out under that, but you have to at least try and get these terms and conditions filled, okay?
Okay. And one more thing, do you have the number to the class man again? Probation gave it to me last time.
And that's the number for probation. So ask them when you get it, okay? 3414 that I gave you, they can give you that number for the guy, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. I know you're trying, Mr. Wade. I'm trying to work with you.
Yeah, I ain't got time for
So
that.
it's just not open, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Wade, if there's nothing further, good luck to you and tell grandma thank you for being patient this morning.
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a good day. Did you talk to either one of the people with the trials today, Attorney Baldwin, so I can get these officers off? I have, Brayden West. All right, I'm gonna keep going with some of these other folks.
Did he talk to me?
D'Angelo Wells. I mean, take that off. Now, I can't really see you, sir. Is there a way that I can see your face a little better? There you go. Now calling the matter of People versus D'Angelo Wells. This is ticket number P11233310. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket P1319-846. Count 1, 11 to 15 miles over posted speed. Count 2, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Ticket number SP 1360991. Drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2 is disregard traffic control device. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
I don't think he didn't answer that.
Oh, Bachman, you on mute?
I'm sorry. Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, sir.
D'Angelo Wells.
Mr. Wells is going to waive any rights. Oh, I'm sorry, Your Honor. We're asking that the defendant be allowed to attend the defensive driving course at betterdrivers.com and an adjournment of today's pretrial for that purpose.
All right, you want to attend the driver's course, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'm gonna have you come back on February 6, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. You gotta show the certificate and then we'll show it to prosecutors so that they can make a decision about what the offer will be, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, okay? All right, Mr. Wells, you're all set. I'll see you back on February 6, 2023, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Angela Walker. Angela Walker.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the People versus Angela Walker. This is ticket P1350806. One count drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your name, please.
Angela Walker.
Thank you. Judge, the defendant presents today with a valid driver's license. It is valid and current, and we're asking that the case be dismissed for that reason. I would stipulate the probable cause for the recommendation.
And being officer of the court and Ms. Walker did send a copy to us. I do see that her license expires 10/31 of 2025. The court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice for having valid docs. Ma'am, make sure that you always keep everything up to date and valid, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're all set, ma'am. You can go ahead and log off.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Christopher Webster.
Yes.
All right, sir. You have to get to some place quiet and you're gonna have to take your hat off for court, okay?
Oh,
Decent exposure.
Your Honor,
Yes,
oh.
may I have 5 minutes?
yes,
Be right back.
okay.
Sorry about that. I'm at work.
I know, now the attorney has to step away for a minute, so now you gotta wait.
Okay.
I don't know. Say him off.
Hey, hi, good morning. This is Oscar Del Bosque. I need to sign back onto courtroom 332, if that's okay.
That's fine. Go ahead.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Ready to continue, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay. All right, Mr. Webster, you can unmute yourself. Now calling the matters of the people versus Christopher Webster. This is ticket 518521, one count no operator's license on person. Ticket 517873, count one no operator's license in possession. Count two uninsured motor vehicle. Ticket 233437, one count no operator's license on person. Ticket P856262, driver's license expired. My apologies. Ticket P1292987, count one insufficient or defective light. Count two drove while license suspended. Count three no insurance misdemeanor. And ticket P922017, driver's license expired. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Baughman for the defendant. Mr. Webster, state your name, please.
Christopher Webster.
Thank you, Judge. We're asking that these matters be set for a bench trial by way of Zoom. The defendant is pleading not guilty here.
Right. Sir, please put your right hand in the air. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
We can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Baughman about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
It is my understanding you would like to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Correct.
All right, I'm gonna have this trial on February 15th, 2023 at 9 a.m. It will be via Zoom, so the same way you zoomed in today, you'll zoom in that day. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal on all of these matters, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
All right, you too.
Winfrey, Miss Winfrey,
Ma'am.
Shantae Winfrey.
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Shantae Winfrey. This is ticket P1350498. Count one, improper left turn. Count two, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count three, no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman for the defendant. State your name, please.
Shantae Winfrey.
Thank you, Miss Winfrey. One moment, Your Honor. So these matters are here for a pre-trial, Your Honor. I believe we're waiting an offer.
Okay. I didn't know she came into the room, so I didn't know she was waiting for an offer.
Yeah.
All right, what about Miss Washington? Is she waiting for an offer too? Octavia Washington?
She's asking for a waiver trial date, please, Your Honor.
Okay. Shantae Winfrey. Miss Winfrey, you waiting on the offer?
Yes.
Okay, let me put you back into a room, okay?
Okay.
Number 5, okay? Join that room.
Okay.
Miss Octavia Washington?
Yes.
Now calling the matters of the people versus Octavia Washington. First, I'm going to call the matters on my docket. Then I'm going to call all of her warrants that she has out. Ticket number P1342663. Count one, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P1343123. Count one, failed to stop for a stop sign. Count two, failed to signal. These tickets are now in warrant status. Ticket number P 1079772, interference with a city employee. Ticket number P. Hold on, 1 second. Sorry, Miss Washington, this isn't you. All right, those are the only tickets. Appearances for the record, starting with council, please.
Harry Boffman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your name for the record.
Octavia Washington.
Thank you, Judge. We're asking for a waiver trial date by way of Zoom, please, and thank you. And for arraignment purposes, we will plead not guilty and ask for the same.
This time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on Ms. Washington's behalf. Ms. Washington, can you raise your right hand for me?
Yes,
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
yes,
You can put your hand down, Ms. Washington. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
yes,
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, ma'am?
okay,
No, I'm asking, is that how you want
Yes.
to move? Okay, yep. All right, ma'am, I'm gonna do it for the date of February 15th, 2023. It's gonna be at 9 a.m. It is via Zoom, so the same way you came on today, you're gonna come on that day. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
so I use the same, meeting number and everything?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
thank you.
Same meeting number, 9 a.m., February 15th, okay? February 15th.
All right,
All right, have a great day.
uh-huh,
All right, bye-bye.
bye.
Attorney Bachman, did you get the offer for the trials?
A moment. I got an offer for Kiana. Oh,
Did you get one for Robert Williams and Raven West?
I did.
Okay, those are my trials today.
So Mr. Williams presents today with a valid driver's license. I think, because I don't know exactly which officers are here, but I think we can get through this with, just a compliance
How do you know
attestation.
he has his license? He's on the phone. Did he send you his license?
No, he said he had it. Can we
Let me
check?
have it. Let me pull his. He has 3 officers here. He has.
Del Bosque?
Willie Robinson, Jen Check-in, and Harrington, who's still here with us.
Okay. If there's a prosecutor that's listening, can we redo his offer to no registration, 1 count, no insurance, 1 count?
Yeah, I think we can do that.
Thank you.
Take a look at it. Thank you.
All the tickets of the officers are here on the left-hand side.
Left-hand side, okay, perfect. Thank you, Joe.
If I could go back in with Mr. Williams, Your Honor. I don't know what room he's in, though.
He's in room 15.
15, yes. We ready on Robert Williams, Your Honor?
Mr. Robert Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matter of people. You got a lot of background noise, Mr. Williams, so I don't know where you are. But you gotta make sure it's at minimum.
I'm at home. There is no noise, zero noise.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Robert Williams. This is his phone. Are you okay, Madam Court Reporter? Can you hear it okay? Okay. Robert, the matter of people versus Robert Williams. This is ticket P 1322266, count 1. Drive unregistered or untitled motor vehicle. Count 2, drove while license suspended. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket P 1046710. 1 count, drove while license suspended. Ticket P 1042833, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket P 1168338, drove while license suspended, repeat offender. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1048481, drove while license suspended. Ticket number P 1168353, 1 count violation of basic speed law or drove in an unsafe manner. And ticket number SP 1343851, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, would you state your name for the record, please?
Robert Ray Williams.
We also would acknowledge the presence and appearance of several DPD officers, Your Honor. I'd ask that they would state their name.
Hey, good morning, Officer Michael Harrington, Detroit Police, Badge 3103.
Morning, Officer Harrington. Judge, the defendant, he's going to waive rights and plead guilty. There's a recommendation. I'm going to stipulate on his behalf to probable cause that matters being dismissed here.
All right. We also had Officers David DeLabescu as well as Officer Willie Robinson check in for these trials this morning. Mr. Williams, if you want this offer, please raise your right hand.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Bachman about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that by taking the guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial? You understand that, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of March the 2nd of 2022. In that area where you're driving on East Congress and Bates, a Chevy vehicle, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
And was it unregistered for the year with the Secretary of State's office at that time?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you also not have any car insurance on it at that time?
Yes, ma'am.
Satisfied, counsel?
I'm satisfied as to both counts, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed where officers showed up.
Both stipulated. Thank you.
All right, so at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to drive unregistered, untitled motor vehicle and an amended plea to improper plates for the no car insurance. Sir, my fine for this, you don't sound like anything to me right now. I know I didn't make that out at all.
Let me give life to his words, Your Honor. The defendant is experiencing a financial hardship. He'd asked if we could give him until the first week of February for payment.
Okay. All right, Mr. Williams, I can give you some time on these matters to pay. All right. Okay, I'm gonna do one fine. It's gonna be $300 on the drive unregistered untitled vehicle. I'm gonna waive the cost and fines on the other ticket. If you have reinstatement fees though, if you have any, you have to pay those. And I'll give you until February 22nd, 2023 to have that paid, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, $300 by February 22nd, 2023, okay?
Yes, ma'am. What do I pay? 36 district?
Yep, you can either come down to 36th District Court or go online at 36districtcourt.org, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I have it paid.
All right, fantastic. Thank you, Mr. Williams.
Yes, sir. Is the lawyer, can I speak to you?
Huh?
I'll ask for my lawyer. Because I was wondering, do I still have a valid driver's license or not?
You have to check with the Secretary of State, sir.
It says it's valid right now. We pulled.
Fantastic.
Okay, so it's valid. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Officer Harrison. You stay safe out there.
Thank you. You as well. Happy holidays.
Thank you. All right. It says it's valid. All right. What are we doing on Miss West? She's the other trial for today. Officers for the ticket from 10/6/2021 showed up. At least they're riding the same vehicle, which I imagine they were. Officer Robinson, we just took care of your matter. He pled, okay?
Sounds good, Your Honor. Have a good day. Thank you.
All right, you too.
I wanted to go.
iPhone. Hello,
Yes,
what's your name?
Davin Williams.
All right, I believe you're trying to get on earlier and you couldn't connect the audio, so I had to let you go because you weren't paying attention.
Oh, no, ma'am. This is my first time logging in.
Why are you just logging in at 10:57 a.m.?
I was trying to get connection, ma'am.
We're not seeing you on the docket for today. I'm gonna give you a phone number to call. You ready?
Yes, ma'am.
313-965-2293.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am. And what am I doing with this number?
you're gonna call because we don't see you on the docket for today. So I don't have you listed as someone who's supposed to be in the courtroom with me.
This is for Detroit, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, it says that I have a court date. It's on paper.
Mr. Williams?
Yes.
Mr. Williams, are you listening to me or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm telling you right now, I don't see your name on the docket. That's okay. I'm having you call the courtroom directly so we can figure out what's going on.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
Okay, what's your paper?
All right. This is the officer on that case, Attorney Boffman.
Okay, for Raven.
Yes.
So can we do 1 to 5 over limited access, Mr. Gillis, if you can hear me?
He's not in the room. I thought we sent, oh, he has 45 to 35. Let me see why.
Okay, she's gonna plead. We spoke about that.
It's 45 in a 35 mile per hour zone. And then it's failed to display the remaining tickets to be dismissed. If you want something better, I can try and get them back here.
No, we're ready on that. That's actually the offer that she and I discussed.
Can you hear me now, Ms. West?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Ms. West, I know you have a top
Yes.
on for court today. I know you're ready for this trial that you're scheduled for.
Yes.
Ms. West,
I have
that's
on
not
a
a
shirt.
top for court.
I'm sorry.
Ms.
I'm
West,
going
put
through
a
the
shirt
pressure
on.
right now.
I'm gonna give you a moment. Put a shirt on. You gotta be ready. All right. Go ahead, sit up. See, we gotta be ready. This is the argument for why they say we shouldn't have Zoom court. Because then people be we don't want that, Ms. West. All it takes is a few moments, then you can go back to doing that, okay? You gotta be ready for court. All right.
Okay.
Now calling the matter of People versus Raven West. This is ticket P 1259083. Count 1, 16 to 20 miles over postal speed. Count 2, drove while license suspended. Count 3, failed to use seatbelt assembly effectively. Ticket number P 1259084. 1 count, no valid registration certificate. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, tinted windows. Also calling ticket number 195163711. No operator's license on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman for the defendant. Please state your name for the record.
Raven West.
Thank you. Judge, these matters are here for a actually, we're here for a trial. I would thank and acknowledge the appearance of the good officer from the Detroit Police Department and ask him to state his name for the record.
Kirby Corporal Nichols, Health Badge 179, Detroit Police Department.
Thank you, Corporal Hop. Defendant's going to waive rights and plead guilty. There's a recommendation. There are matters being dismissed here pursuant to that. And on her behalf, I would stipulate to probable cause to the dismissals. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much. Ms. West, if you want to take advantage of this offer, please raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Ma'am, did you have an opportunity to talk to Attorney Golfman about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up the right that you had to have a bench trial? You want to have a bench trial, the officer has come, you can have that bench trial, or you could have a jury trial. But if you take this plea, you're going to give that up. Do you understand that?
Can I talk to my lawyer? Hold on.
Yes, you can. All right. I'll put her back in the room so she can talk to you. Put her in room 4.
Okay. Be right back. Judge, we thank the court for an opportunity to speak. We're ready to continue with the plea.
Ms. West, you're still under oath. I was asking you about whether or not you wanted to give up the right to have a bench or a jury trial. You want to give that right today?
Yes.
All right, and nothing else is preventing you from taking this plea today. Is that correct? You still want to move forward?
Yes.
All right. Ms. West, I want to take your attention back to the day of October the 6th of 2021. Were you driving a Jeep vehicle in the area of East McNichols and Gitre Street, G-I-T-R-E, in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving, did you drive while your license was suspended, ma'am?
Yes.
And did you exceed the speed limit doing 45 in the 35-mile-per-hour zone, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
I am satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, the court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to the amended charge of responsible for 45 in the 35-mile-per-hour zone, as well as the amended charge of failed to display instead of drove while license suspended. Counsel has already stipulated for the remaining counts to be dismissed for stipulation with probable cause. You gotta slow down. You know how fast you were really going?
Okay.
You gotta slow down, Ms. West, okay? I know this does have some points,
okay,
so be aware of that, okay?
Okay.
All right. So the fine for this though, for the speeding ticket is $135. Typically with civil infractions, you have 14 days to be able to pay that. Is that gonna be enough time for you, ma'am?
Yes, could I pay it online today or?
Can you wait until tomorrow at least to pay it online?
Yes.
All right, give us a moment to put it in the computer system, but I'm gonna give you 14 days just in case. So that's December 2022. Ma'am, are you currently employed? You came up real quick with that money before I gave you the other fine.
Yes, I'm employed.
Okay. Let me see how many tickets got dismissed. All right. If I do $200 on the other ticket and give you 60 days to pay, is that enough time?
Yes.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna charge you $200 for the other ticket. I'm gonna give you 60 days to pay that though. So it'll be due January 23rd, 2023, okay?
Okay.
All right? Okay, all right. Cut your cost a lot, so be grateful, Ms. West.
Yes. Okay, how do I go about getting my license back?
Okay, so once you pay all these costs and fees, you may have something called reinstatement fees as well. So after you go online and pay them, see if any of the tickets have a $45 fee. Once you pay those fees, we'll send clearance to the Secretary of State's office, make an appointment and go see them. Do you have tickets in any other city except for Detroit?
No.
Okay, so this should clear it up and you should be able to go to the office and get your license, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so the sooner you take care of this
Thank you.
fine, the sooner you'll be able to go apply for that license, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
All right, Ms. West, good luck to you. You're welcome. Have a good day. You have a beautiful smile too.
Thank you.
All right, have a good day.
You
Thank you
too.
all. Did you say you were corporal now?
We're doing a little bit of a switch over. Don't know if I'm a corporal or PO at this time.
Okay, well, whatever you are, you be safe out here for the holidays, okay?
Thank you very much. You have a good holiday too, Your Honor.
Welcome, thank you. Officer, we handled your matter already. She pled guilty on a couple of counts, and so we appreciate you. I knew you were here and I put your name on the record.
All right. Well, thank you very much, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Thank you. You too, stay safe, please.
Thank you.
All right. All right, Attorney Boston, we have somebody left in 5, 6, 7, 8, and 16.
Okay, so 7 is Kiana White. She's compliant.
Okay.
Um,
I'm trying to get her to come out.
I don't know who the other ones are, Your Honor.
All right, so in 5, we have Shantae Winfrey.
Okay, I haven't spoken to her.
Okay. In 6, we have Jordan Watkins.
So for I don't think I've spoken to that person either, Your Honor.
Okay. 8, we have Levanta Walker. It's a state ticket though.
That's a is that a state ticket? So we set that one for trial.
Okay. And then in 15 is James Wilson. Let me do Ms. Watts though. She's out here. Ms. Watts?
Ready. Okay, James Wilson, we're ready on that case as well. We're asking for a pretrial, adjourned pretrial for compliance.
Kiana Watts? All right. James Wilson, can you hear me okay?
Yes.
Okay. Now calling the matters of the people versus James Wilson. This is ticket number P1133490, count 1, drive while license suspended, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P1344583, count 1, dirty, obscure, improperly displayed plates, count 2, expired plates, count 3, defective brake lights. Ticket number P1344584, drove while license suspended, count 1, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P1253251, no proof of insurance, count 1, count 2, drove while license suspended. Ticket number P1234168, count 1, drove while license suspended, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P1204673, count 1, drove while license suspended, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ma'am, your name, please. Ms. Watts?
Wilson?
I'm sorry, Mr. Wilson, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
State your name for the record.
Oh, James Wilson.
Thank you. Judge, we're asking that the court accept here a plea of not guilty from the defendant and set the matter for a pretrial, please, and thank you. It's here for show cause.
All right. This time the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client. I'm going to set these matters for a pretrial on the date of February 6, 2023. That's at 8:30 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal, sir. I'll see you then.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Kiana Watts. Kiana Watts. All right, Attorney Bachman, just go start talking to the other folks.
Okay.
I have offer for Miss Winfrey too, before you go in there. Her offer is blockading on count 1.
Okay.
Did you get offers on the other folks? I don't know if it's any in here. Nah, that's a state ticket, and then
Can you tell me, can you direct me to which rooms I need to go to, Your Honor?
it's just yes. So you need to go to rooms 5, 6, 8, and 5, 6, and 8.
Okay, be right back.
All right. Ms. Watts, you didn't answer when I originally called, so now you gotta wait until the attorney comes back, so just hold tight.
Okay, I just wanted to let you know that I kept getting a message saying that the host is not allowing participants to unmute themselves. So I apologize, but that was my issue.
Okay, no worries, you're not in trouble or anything, I just gotta wait until he comes back, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you for letting me know about that error message, though. I'll see if anybody else is experiencing that as well, okay, Ms. Watts?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Ms. Winfrey, please put yourself on mute until I'm ready to call your case, okay?
All righty.
Mr. Watkins, just put yourself on mute until we start court. And when we start court, you're gonna have to take your hat off for me, okay?
Okay.
All right. You ready, Mr. Attorney Bachman?
We are, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Watkins, you're gonna have to stop moving to Home Depot for a minute. Take your hat off and unmute yourself. Yes, I can see everything, and I know exactly where you're at all times. Welcome to my world. All right. Stop moving, Mr. Watkins. You gotta stay still.
Okay.
All right.
I'm staying in
Now
front of this,
calling the
hopefully
matter of
nobody.
the people. Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jordan Lee Watkins. This is ticket P 1348451. One count drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, please, sir.
Jordan Lee Watkins.
Thank you. Your Honor, the defendant is able to provide compliance documents at his next action date. We just asked for the briefest of adjournments.
No, brief adjournments.
Brief.
All right. December
You're gonna tell me to stop moving.
22nd is the brief.
I don't really have to tell me to stop moving, I guess. I know. Okay, I have to stand here.
Mr. Watkins.
I swear to God, that's what they told me. What's up? Sorry.
We can hear you.
I can hear you talking to everybody but B, as I'm trying to give you a date, not in 2023, but you preoccupied right now. So now would you like a date in 2023 or 2022?
2022 preferably.
Okay, you gotta stop and focus for a minute. We just heard your whole conversation. They told me I had to stop moving. I couldn't mute. And so you just gotta focus. All it takes is 3 seconds and I'll be done. Okay, Mr. Watkins? December
Yes, Your Honor.
22nd, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. Okay? Bond is at $0 personal. Please have your documents ready to show, okay?
Okay, you said one more time for the date?
December 22nd, December 22.
Okay. Same time,
Okay.
8:30?
Same time, 8:30 a.m. Have your documents ready to show us so that we can take care of this matter, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You as well.
All right. Ms. Watt?
Yes.
Now calling the, Ms. Watt, you ain't got nothing you can put over your shoulders real quick for court.
I'm sorry.
I said you don't have nothing you can put over your shoulders real quick for court.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, one moment.
Okay. Put it down and then I come to you. So just do it real quick. All right, now calling matters of the people versus Kiana Watts. This is ticket P 1358616. Count 1, expired plate. Count 2, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Ticket P 1358639. One count driver's license expired. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your name, please.
Kiana Watts.
Thank you. Ms. Watts presents today with valid documents, driver's license, registration, and insurance. I have sent those to the court's attention. I'm attesting to their validity and currency as an officer of the court, asking that the court dismiss these matters for compliance, and I would stipulate the probable cause for that recommendation. Thank you.
All right. Being an officer of the court, having seen the valid documentation, and I see my clerk is pulling it up right now as well. Valid documentation, the court is going to dismiss these matters without prejudice today. Ma'am, make sure you always keep everything valid, up to date in your vehicle, okay?
I understand. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. All right, have a great day, okay?
Thanks, you too. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you so much. Ms. Winfrey?
Yes.
Now calling the matter of people versus Shantae Winfrey. This is ticket number P13500498. Count 1, improper left turn. Count 2, drove while license not valid or improper. Count 3, no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffin for the defendant. Ma'am, state your name, please.
Shantae Winfrey.
Thank you, Your Honor. This matters for pretrial. There's a recommendation that if the defendant pleads guilty to the moving violation, that would be reduced to blockading. She's gonna ask the court to accept a responsible plea. According to the recommendation, I would stipulate to probable cause as to any matters being dismissed. Thank you.
Thank you. So at this time, reading from the ticket to establish a factual basis on the day of May 30th, 2022, in the area of 8 Mile and Gratiot in the city of Detroit, Ms. Winfrey was driving a Chevy vehicle and did an improper left turn, causing her to block traffic. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied.
All right, the court is satisfied as well, and accepts the plea to the amended count of blockading. The remaining counts are going to be dismissed at this time with probable cause, stipulation for probable cause. Ma'am, the fine for this is $175. Typically, you have 14 days to be able to pay for that. Is that gonna be enough time for you?
No, ma'am.
All right, how much time do you need?
Maybe 30.
That brings us to December the 22nd. You gonna have it paid by then?
Christmas and my son's birthday. I'm not even gonna lie, I might not judge.
Everybody always says that.
I'm not even gonna hold you up. I might not have it by the end. If you could add on a little more time for me, I would greatly appreciate it.
All right, make it due January 23rd, 2023, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
You're very welcome. You have a good day, Ms. Winfrey, okay?
And you have a better one. Bye-bye.
All right, thank you so much. Bye-bye. Ms. Walker? Lavonta Walker?
Yes.
I know you're not gonna sit there and lie down while I'm sitting up straight in my chair for court today.
I got you. I'm so sorry.
You ready?
Yeah.
Mr. Walker, you don't ever want to do that. You always want to be sitting up ready for court, okay?
Okay.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Lavonta Deshaun Walker. This is ticket P1298619. This is one count of indecent exposure. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Boffin for the defendant. Sir, state your name for the record.
Levante Walker.
Judge, there's a genuine material issue of fact. We're asking that the court set this matter for a wait for trial date by Zoom, please, and thank you.
Sir, could you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Baughman about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. You understand that, sir?
Yes.
All right. I want to set this for February 15th. February 15th at 9 a.m. It is going to be via Zoom. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal. Be fully awake and ready and dressed for court, okay, Mr. Walker?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right. If there's nothing further, you have a good day, okay, Mr. Walker?
You too.
I will. Thank you so much. All right. That concludes this hearing.
Okay.
All right. And that's this morning's docket.
Oh, did somebody drop off? I thought we still did
Hold on. Let me
James
close out the
Wilson.
loop and see. I know I still have Watkins too. We did lose one person. He said he had been waiting for an hour and 15 minutes and he had to go. So I gave him a February date. Since he had someplace to be. And then I do have Leonard Wilkins, but I don't see him. And his documents in the file.
I never spoke to that individual, Your Honor.
Okay. I don't see him anymore, and he sent over documents too. But we're supposed to do something. Let me grab it up. All right. Well, I'm gonna keep his documents in the file only because I need to ask him about the tinted windows that he has as well.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Beth, we are gonna do afternoon, so if you can come back at 1:45, that would be fantastic.
No, I'll see you at 1:45.
Everybody have a great day. See you next time.
You too. Thank you so much, Attorney Bachman.
My pleasure. Bye. now.
Judge, is there any trials this afternoon that you know of? Okay. Okay, if there was a trial, I'd come down. Okay.
Oh, you're so, thank you. No trials this afternoon. We have, let me see. 1, 2, we have like 2 pages of free trials. So we'll see how many people check in.
All right. See you in a bit.
Thank you.